Well, in some previous video we saw a 18 volt chainsaw, 18 volt with 4 amp hour, 18 volt with 6 amp hour battery. We also saw the 40 volt, and I don't know what's going on. I was disappointed in this one for some reason. You have to watch the video to understand why. It didn't go as good as expected. So in this video here, we're actually going to test the pole saw here. So the pole saw is a 18 volt pole saw. It comes with the posts that have the battery hookup. So this one is model P4360. This is just a 8-inch blade on there, and it comes with another post, so if you need to extend it even higher you can add that. So for this test here, I want to just show you really quick how tall it's gonna be. You can only connect this one way in here because it's kind of flat at the one end and then round and around the rest of it. There's also a groove and a little lip in here so that it guides it in between the slots here. So for this one, go like this. So you just push it until the little knob goes in between, and then you just screw it in like this. So now we have our post in. I already filled it up with oil. I didn't fill it up all the way, or 3/4 here, because this is just a test to show you the height and how it goes. Now, I own this one for probably 4 years now, maybe 5, so I never changed the blade on it. So also take that in consideration when we do the test here. For this test, we're going to use a HP 4 amp hour battery. Now we're gonna connect the other end. It's easier if you push this backwards. Okay, now we have our pole saw. Pretty long. Just gotta put the battery in there. So that's kind of what it looks like. I'm gonna cut this branch up here. So first cut, you could go way higher than that if you need to. First cut I'm gonna do. So this, you just put the blade and then you pretty much let it rest, and it's gonna come down through it. There's the strap here. So if you're gonna do lots of cut, sometimes it's easier to hold everything. But I'm going high, so I won't use the strap. So this branch had to go there because it was above the roadway. Alright, let's see if I can do a couple more cut with you guys, and then you can see how you can maybe see me in the whole shot, so that you can see how it goes. So if you're interested in seeing me trim more stuff with this pruning 8-inch chainsaw, pole saw, I could do some tests with different size of lugs or different size of branches, or I can, we can do a video of how many cuts we can do with it with different battery size. If you're interested in that, please comment below, let me know, and then I'll make sure that I try to do those videos for you this summer. So this is just a pruning chainsaw, so we're not going to push it too hard and cut with it all day until the battery run out here, but it's just to give you a little idea. Very practical here. I can clear 3 branches pretty high to pass my trailer into the roadway, or to make sure that there's no branches that are going to touch the vehicle as we're driving in and out of the property here. So yeah, gives you a little idea of how it can handle everything. If you like that video and you want to check the other chainsaw video, click above, I'll post the link here. Give me a like, leave a comment, subscribe, that really helps me out. Alright, I'll see you in the next video.